You know, the average person thinks they know what they want, but oftentimes they're not even aware that what they think they want is not even coming from themselves. It's coming from the societal milieu around them. It's coming from parental fantasies. It's coming from whatever's popular in the world. It's coming from the manifestation of gross materialism or consumerism. And they want something temporarily and discover they oftentimes even set goals to get these things that they want, to discover when they get the goal, the happiness they thought they were going to achieve isn't there. That's called immature wanting. And oftentimes, people even use the power of visualization to get these things that they want, not realizing that oftentimes visualization is limiting because you're only seeing that which is within the paradigm that you're living in. And so, as we're growing, developing, and unfolding, we want to step into real happiness and real joy and real peace and real abundance. And that's stepping into the vibration of what is called mature wanting. In other words, your mature wanting is connected with the activation of gifts, talents, and capacities that are within you. And so today, you can begin to think about things that have happened to you in your past where you really wanted something really bad, and when you got it, you weren't that happy with it. And then you realize that wanting came from someone else, came from someone else's agenda about you, or came from society, perhaps came from a commercial on television that said, if you had this, you'd be happy. And then ask yourself this: there's an impulse within you. There's an impulse of creativity. There's an impulse of power. There's an impulse of activation of so much joy. And you want to set yourself free so that's perennial. So that what you really want in life, you really want to be more you. And what does that carry? That carries the vibration of, yes, you do have magnificent quality things in your life. You have everything that is necessary for you to continue to grow, develop, and unfold. But the happiness is not attached to those limited conditions. The happiness is connected to you constantly unfolding and being more of your real self. So you did not come here to consume, you came here to share. What do you want? You want to share yourself. You want to express your gifts. You want to give of your talents. You want to discover more of yourself. You want to mature. You want to mature in your wanting. And in so doing, and in so being, everything else is added unto you, and it just adds to your expression on the planet. If you have enjoyed what I've just shared, I'm inviting you to the Masterclass, in which we will explore these principles and more for a longer period of time, so that you can actually begin to access practices and access greater awareness, so that you can live the life that you're meant to live. Not that you're supposed to live, but that you're meant to live. It's all within you. Peace and blessings.